I'm Emma. I'm a 13-year-old gardener, and I love gardening so much that I wrote a book about it for kids. It's called Gardening with Emma.
Here it is, Gardening with Emma, my new book that's coming out in February, and I just can't wait. Now I'll show you one of the spreads that we have in the book that's one of my favorites. This one is about garden hideouts, places where you can hide in the garden. Ideas like a sunflower house and a bean teepee. I had so much fun building a sunflower house last year. We just planted sunflowers in a square and they grew up and they gave us lots of shade and a place to hide and hang out on the inside. I grew broom corn around the entrance to my sunflower house and that made it even better to hide in. And then later we cut off some pieces of the broom corn and then we tied them into a wispy broom. My brother loved the idea of a sunflower house so much that this past year he actually grew a melon house because that's his favorite crop, melons. I grew both yellow and purple beans on one of my bean teepees last year, and it looked just beautiful. And it was big enough that both me and my younger brother Keaton could hide in there and snack on them together. Here it is, Gardening with Emma, kid-to-kid guide to gardening and having fun. If you want to get involved growing, having fun in the garden, and you want to grow your own sunflower house and bean teepee, check out the book.